Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once more time. Today we are going to learn a JavaScript code that helps us to make our to-do list very interactive. Yes, one may ask, I've been doing my to-do list, but I don't know how to make it interactive and lively. This is how to do it using JavaScript code. Sit back, relax, and watch the video. Okay, let's continue. Before that, before you start everything, you have to select some HTML elements. First, the script selects important HTML elements such as the text field, the input button, and then this one. Let's go to the JavaScript code. Okay, so this is the JavaScript code. So it helps us to select what? The text input field, the add button, the text list, and the total completed text content or counters. Okay, the JavaScript also allows you to control and update them dynamically. So due to JavaScript, you can move dynamically on your to-do list, whether to add or to delete a specific thing to do at a particular time. Next one, we add a new task, which is a button. So when the add tags button is clicked in JavaScript, it gets a text from the input field and creates a new list item. So to add a list helps one. Let me run it so that you see how it looks like. Okay, so this is how a to-do list looks like. This is its form. So this is the add text we are talking about. This is the button. So it helps us to create a to-do list. So let's say maybe read my Bible or read a book. Add text. So when immediately I click on the add text, it creates like a catalog, not a catalog per se, but a list of things I want to do. Do you understand? Yes. So that's what the add text does. So if we input, it gives us what we inputted. But if the input is empty, it doesn't give us any output because we didn't enter anything. So marking as complete. We do this by clicking on a text tag that is complete. So let's say if we are done with this, we click on this, which shows that we've completed this item. So let's write a list of items we want to do. Okay, so we want to read a book, want to watch, want to dance, want to cook. So let's say these are the list of items these are the list of things you want to do in a day. Before the day goes to a close, this is what we want to do. So let's see how all the codes here work. So marking task as complete. Clicking the task tag completed states that we've ended or we are done with this particular task. This visually marks the task as done and updates the completed text count. So deleting a task. Let's say maybe I don't want this task again. I can just click on this X to delete the task, sorry. Yes. So this X here simply means delete, which deletes every task, any task we don't need anymore. Yes, please. So now updating that task statistics. After every action, adding, completing, or deleting a task, which is the script recalculates the total number of tasks and the number of completed tasks. So these values are updated on the screen on real time. So anytime we add up a task, it increases or it recalculates the total numbers. So it's like if we add another task, you see our total goes to 4. If we finish this task and want to press it to mark as complete, our this one too goes to 1. completed tasks. Okay. So event handling. Event listeners are used. Is it we learned event listeners in the calculator? So here too we need the event listeners. So these functions are used to respond to buttons clicks and usually interactions, making the app fully interactive. This one helps us to what? Make the app interactive and make it useful for users. Yes. So in conclusion, I use JavaScript DOM to manipulate and and watch and do how calculators and my to-do list are being done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Bye bye till we meet again.